Hi guys, welcome back and welcome to my channel. My name is Anne. I'm skipping the introduction. I'm going to be talking about uh, some things that are happening in my life because I want to be open to this channel, to my viewers, because that's something I want. I don't know how to explain it. I, for the past week and a half, have been neglecting myself. Yesterday I was like, you know what, I'm not keeping myself in that state. I made myself take a shower. I took a shower today too. Getting back into it one step at a time. I'm not proud of it. But I'm trying to give myself some grace because I've been really stressed ever since, how long ago is it? Since the finding out I might not graduate, and then finding out, oh, you're not graduating, like it was confirmed the day before it was supposed to happen. I somewhat know what's going on with school. I'm not proud of it because they forced my hand when my IEP was, my IEP, it pays for me to go to the school until I'm 21. So there's that. And I would have preferred to go to the school because I had my safety nets. I had the people that was, I don't know how to explain it. And I hate to say this, but if this was me a year ago, 6 months ago, even without me off my meds, and I found out, oh, you're not walking, all that, I don't think I would have been here, kind of thing. So I'm lucky that I'm stable enough to to manage myself. And if it's neglecting myself for a week and a half because I've been so stressed and it's one thing after another, it's not something I want, but it's something that makes sense for me. And I am truly proud of myself because the progress, yeah, not process. I made in the end it might be actually better anyways, truly. I'll be doing online for most of the weeks, instead of going to school every single day. I would only have to be there once a week for 4 hours, get to pick, kind of thing. But so for the Play-Doh thing I was doing, everything. They should have gave me the other stuff so I could get it done. Because there's the CTE thing and whatnot, and I thought we found out the day that I made the announcement, like, oh, I'm taking a break or something. Like, it was supposed to be before school started, like, I think a day or two, and it's like, but the CTE is because you're supposed to standard, for the SATs, supposed to pass that or have a job, and last result is CTE. But with my disability, with the bipolar and dyslexia, like, in general, SATs, I don't do well on. In general, I don't do well on tests. But it always, the scores always fluctuates, kind of thing, all that. But because I couldn't have a job, I'm treating my writing career as a job when it does, but that does not count for them, which I can understand. But I couldn't have a job because I needed to focus on work, on school and everything. So, it's honestly, I don't want to go back to that school anyways, because there's this new dress code thing of all that, like no leggings in general, which leggings is really what not the only thing I have, but other stuff. I don't know how to explain it. And I just, everything else, because I found out from my sister, kind of thing, it's actually, like, different, and the school staff is different now, like, constantly and everything, and I truly don't want to be there because it wasn't the greatest school for me, but at the end of the day, I had my safety net there, so with anxiety kind of thing for me. I am going to try and read this book today. I'm still on chapter 2. Not that I don't like it, I really do. I would be honest if I didn't like the book, even if it's a friend. Not like be harsh about it, but like if it's not for me, it's not for me. But I just haven't been doing much of anything I enjoy. I enjoy making these videos and talking. Even when editing is frustrating, it's something I enjoy. This book is something I enjoy, and I do feel like after this draft, it's going to be ready for people to read, have comments, and everything. But I've just been doing nothing. I've been staying in bed. My sleep schedule is wonky. It's either I can't sleep or I sleep all day. I do think that I'm going to have to, I obviously have to talk to parents about this. I do think that I'm going to have to get back on meds to help with my bipolar, which I really don't want to happen. And if I do, it might take a while to figure out which meds works for me and everything, but I've been thinking about it for a while. Not constantly, like all the time, but I do think that I might have to go back on, which sucks. I don't like taking meds, but if it's going to help me once I get on the right ones, then I might have to. It sucks because even when I've been in the state, I haven't even been really talking to my boyfriend much, which isn't because he's been doing things wrong. It's because, one, either asleep or whatnot, but getting overwhelmed easily, and everything. I've been lashing out at my family. I don't like it, and I don't like the way I am in those moments, because I don't want to hurt the people I love. And I do think that they happen more when I'm having my manic episodes. And then after the manic episode, as high as you go, the lower you go. I can't remember the saying my mom says. So there's that. I think that's it. I think I'm at this point yapping. I'm going to try and edit today. Honestly, I'm posting this video just in case I don't edit and whatnot, but I truly miss posting and engaging, and I really appreciate you guys. But I do think that even if I am editing or writing my other books for a bit, I'm not going to force myself to post as much. And everything, because I still don't know what's going on fully about the school thing and everything, and just I'm taking a break until I feel better. even if that means I don't meet my deadline for the editing, which is November, what was it, 5th? Which is in only a few months. Jeez, it's only in a few months. Which I'm thankful that I got myself leeway until January something. I do think that I'm going to get back into it soon. I don't know if I want to skip chapter 9 and just try and edit everything else and then go back to chapter 9 and edit when it's done, because what my state is for this, I don't want to skip ahead kind of thing, but I do think for this one I might have to, and then go back to chapter 9 and everything. I really don't know. I don't know what's going on in general with anything, and I'm not expecting myself to. But yeah, that's the video today. I want to say thank you to all of you, and I miss you guys.